Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to try my luck at some banana bread. I've never baked before, this is my very first time and I'm quite impressed with myself. So if you guys would like to see how I created this one, please stick around.
Hi guys, so today I have my little helpers with me. My daughters are going to help me to bake the banana bread today. So why don't we jump right into the video. First we're going to use 2 cups of flour. My daughter's going to help me with the sifter. Okay, great. Look how light and fluffy it looks. Beautiful. Now we're going to go ahead and add 2 teaspoons of baking soda. And just mix this up. Because we want everything to be well combined. I'm going to go ahead and add our 1 cup of sugar. And we're going to go ahead and add our 1/2 cup of butter. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to mix that together. Okay, so that's what it looks like. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add 2 eggs. Thank you. And we're gonna go ahead and whip that together. My babies are going to help me out. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon milk. Now we're just going to go ahead and mush that up a little bit more so we can get it all nice and blended together. Okay guys, so now we're going to go ahead and we're going to combine our flour and we're going to combine our butter to the banana. So we're going to alternate and we're going to do 1/2 butter, 1/2 flour, and so forth and so forth. Alright, Gab, go ahead. We're going to put a little flour. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead. Go ahead, Brie. And we're going to put and now we're going to mix that together. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and we're just going to mix that together. Just to get that nice and blended. Now that our batter is ready, we're gonna go ahead and pour it in our bowl and we're gonna stick it in the oven. I'm just gonna go ahead and try to smooth the top portion. It looks like, and we're going to stick it in the oven. Okay guys, so the banana bread is ready and that is my finished product. Yum! The smell in my kitchen is out of this world. Okay guys, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!